Well, this is our final stop here for the day. I'm Patrick Johnston here with Go Dominican Life and Las Terrenas Life, the real estate companies that you know for trusted advice island-wide here in the Dominican Republic. We're here now at the something that I don't like to do very much, but this is called the mall, the Agora Mall, which is probably the most premium mall here in the city and in the country. You have everything from Calvin Klein, Bohan, Aldo, Krispy Kreme donuts, you name it, it's here. So if you want to have that mall experience and you don't have everything what you can get in sort of the beach areas, you come to the city, you do the IKEA, you do Costco or Price Mart, and then you come to the mall to do your shopping and needs. So we're going to take a tour. We want you to see what's going on here, and let's go. Okay, well, you know, we've done them all. I've done them all. It's like the one time a year that I get to do it. So I gotta go now. So we're gonna go back to the beach. We're going right from here, 2.5 hours to Las Terrenas because it's time for trivia night at the beach. So, adios, amigos.